10 clever car gadgets on Amazon that will upgrade your vehicle. Here's something you probably didn't realize. The average American spends nearly 300 hours a year inside their car. That's over 12 full days just driving, sitting in traffic, or running errands. So why settle for a boring, outdated ride when you could transform your vehicle into a smart, safe, and seriously convenient powerhouse? From charging at lightning speed to smart safety tech and organization tools that end the mess, these gadgets bring the future straight to your dashboard. Buckle up because this is about to get interesting. Anker 75-watt USB-C car charger. Charging your devices in the car used to mean juggling cables and waiting forever. The Anker 75-watt USB-C car charger changes all that with super-fast, high-output charging for phones, tablets, laptops, and more, all from your cigarette lighter. Thanks to its power delivery technology, you can charge your laptop and phone simultaneously at full speed without overheating or draining your car battery. Compact but powerful, this charger makes sure your devices never die when you're on the go. Because running out of juice is not just annoying, it's downright dangerous if you need GPS or emergency calls. It's like carrying a wall outlet in your glove box, but way cooler and faster. Rove R2-4 K-Cam. Imagine capturing every moment on the road in crystal clear 4K resolution, from the mundane to the unbelievable. The Rove R2-4 K-Cam does exactly that, with wide-angle lenses that cover the entire front view and night vision so clear you won't miss a thing after dark. It also includes built-in GPS logging, motion detection, and parking mode, so your car stays protected even when you're not behind the wheel. Let's face it, accidents and weird encounters happen, and having clear footage can be a lifesaver for insurance claims or legal disputes. Plus, this cam is discreet, easy to install, and won't distract you while driving. It's like having a digital witness riding shotgun at all times. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. Small but mighty. That's the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 in a nutshell. This tiny cam clips discreetly behind your rearview mirror, providing continuous recording in 1080p HD with a wide 140-degree field of view. What sets it apart? Voice control, automatic incident detection, and wireless connectivity so you can review clips on your phone without digging through SD cards. It's perfect for city drivers who want an unobtrusive, always-ready eye on the road without cluttering their windshield. And it's built by Garmin, a name synonymous with reliable navigation tech, so you know it's engineered to perform under pressure. When the unexpected happens, this little device has your back quietly and efficiently. Nonda Smart Car Charger with Bluetooth. This isn't your typical car charger. The Nonda Smart Car Charger combines fast charging with Bluetooth 5.0 technology, allowing you to make hands-free calls, stream music, and control your phone without taking your eyes off the road. It supports dual USB ports with fast charging for multiple devices at once, but the real game changer is its built-in microphone and speakerphone quality that rivals many dedicated car kits. Plus, it syncs with your phone to provide battery and temperature alerts, helping protect your devices and your car's electrical system. It's the ultimate multitasker, charging, connecting, and keeping you safe, all in one sleek gadget. Gulu GT4000 Jump Starter. Car troubles can strike anytime, but with the Gulu GT4000 Jump Starter, you're basically carrying a personal mechanic in your glove box. This powerful, compact device can jumpstart your car battery in seconds without needing another vehicle. No cables or strangers required. It also doubles as a power bank, flashlight, and even has USB ports to charge your gadgets in an emergency. Its safety features protect against overcurrent short circuits and reverse polarity, so you won't accidentally fry your battery or yourself. Whether you're stuck on a dark highway or need a last-minute boost on a cold morning, this jump starter brings confidence and independence to every driver. It's peace of mind you literally hold in your hand. iOtti Easy One. Touch 5. Phone mount. If your phone is your GPS, music player, and communication hub, you need a mount that's fast, secure, and adaptable. The iOtti Easy One. Touch 5 phone mount nails all of that with its super strong suction cup and quick release lever, letting you mount or remove your phone with one hand, even while driving. It fits phones of all sizes and rotates smoothly for portrait or landscape modes. Plus, it's designed to withstand bumps and vibrations, so your device stays put on every twist and turn. Forget fiddling with awkward holders or risking phone drops. This mount keeps your screen right where you need it, accessible and safe, so your focus stays on the road. Thule Trunk Organizer. A messy trunk is a safety hazard and a stress inducer. Enter the Thule Trunk Organizer, a durable, spacious, and smart storage solution for your vehicle. Designed with heavy-duty materials and adjustable dividers, it keeps groceries, emergency gear, tools, and sports equipment neatly organized and easy to find. Its collapsible design means it folds flat when you don't need it, and it includes multiple pockets and straps to secure everything in place. Whether you're a weekend warrior, busy parent, or road trip enthusiast, this organizer turns your trunk chaos into a neatly curated space. Because a well-organized car means less time hunting for stuff, and more time enjoying the drive. Chemical Guys. HydroView Glass Cleaner. Visibility is everything on the road, and the Chemical Guys HydroView Glass Cleaner guarantees a streak-free shine every time. This professional-grade cleaner uses a unique formula to remove dirt, smudges, water spots, and bugs without leaving any residue or haze. It's ammonia-free and safe for all glass surfaces, including tinted windows, mirrors, and windshields. Driving with clear glass isn't just about aesthetics. It's a critical safety factor, especially in rain, fog, or night driving. So why settle for subpar sprays that smear and blur? HydroView gives you crystal clear vision, so every drive feels safer and smoother. Plus, it smells way better than your average cleaner, which is always a bonus. Baseus Wireless Vacuum Cleaner. Cleaning your car just got easier and cordless. The Baseus Wireless Vacuum Cleaner is a compact, powerful device designed specifically for vehicle interiors. It easily fits into tight spaces, picks up crumbs, dust, and dirt from seats and carpets, and even has attachments for vents and crevices. Its rechargeable battery provides solid runtime, and the washable filter makes maintenance simple and eco-friendly. Unlike bulky vacuum cleaners, this one fits in your glove box or trunk, ready for quick cleanups anytime, anywhere. For anyone who hates a messy ride but hates dragging out a heavy vacuum even more, this gadget is a total game changer. Clean car, happy driver. Fixed OBD2 Bluetooth diagnostic sensor. Ever wonder why that annoying check engine light turned on? The Fixed OBD2 sensor plugs into your car's diagnostic port and pairs with your phone to decode error codes in plain English. No mechanic jargon or scary warnings. It helps you identify minor issues before they become major problems, track maintenance schedules, and even alerts you if your car is unsafe to drive. It's compatible with most vehicles made after 1996 and makes automotive troubleshooting accessible for everyone, not just gearheads. Having this little sensor means knowing what's wrong before it leaves you stranded. A true lifesaver for any driver who values reliability and smart maintenance. If you found a gadget you want to try, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below telling us which one you're adding to your ride first. Got a favorite car gadget we missed? Share it with the community. We love hearing about new ways to upgrade our drives.